So day 8, we got over here about 30 minutes ago. Doug had a physical therapy appointment. So we're just getting over here. It's late afternoon. One of the boards that we put in yesterday is really warped. We were hoping we could fix it, and it's just not worth it. So we actually just took that one out. We're going to go get a new board and basically redo one of the sections we did yesterday, and then we can get going on the rest of the floor. The good news is Doug's ankle is finally starting to look like an ankle, not a
cankle
sausage. So, day 8.
Day 8. Basically got this one floor joist finished. And then we had Xfinity Internet out here and a pest guy who sprayed the crap out of this kitchen for termites and spiders and stuff. So we can't really work in there anymore. He sprayed all of this. But Elizabeth got all the way down this hallway with wallpaper removal. So that's good. The rest of this, it's kind of a short day. We got over here late because of chiropractor appointments and then contractors showing up. So tomorrow we'll be able to start and hopefully finish these last 4. So hopefully tomorrow we can finish up these floor joists. That's the end of day 8.